In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Flodesk form to a Squarespace website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate a stylish, functional form into your Squarespace site with ease. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Flodesk at www.flodesk.com. Once you're on the website, take a moment to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. But for today's purposes, let's assume you're already a member and ready to go. Now that you're logged in, it's time to grab the code for the form you want to add. Navigate over to your Flodesk dashboard, find the form you're looking to use, and click on it. You should see an option to edit the form. From here, look for the embed option. This is crucial as you'll need to copy the HTML code associated with that form. Go ahead and click on embed and then carefully copy the HTML code provided. If you're unsure where to find it, usually it's right after you hit the edit button and scroll down a bit. With your form code safely copied, our next destination is your Squarespace site. Log into Squarespace and open the specific page where you wish to place this form. This could be your home page, a contact page, or perhaps a landing page. The choice is yours. Go to that page and click edit. This should allow you to adjust the elements on that particular page. As we progress with editing, search for the option to add a code block. This is where the magic happens. A code block allows us to insert custom code like the HTML for the Flodesk form into our Squarespace website. Once you've located and added a new code block, it's time for the grand action of pasting the HTML code from Flodesk right into this block. With the code pasted, don't forget to click apply. This ensures the changes take effect and previews appropriately. Following that, make sure to save the page. It's really important to save your progress so nothing is lost. Finally, once you've clicked save, take a moment to preview your page. This step is key as it allows you to see what your site visitors will experience and test whether the form is functioning correctly. Fill in a few fields and ensure everything is working as expected before you call it a day. And there you have it, a beautiful Flodesk form integrated smoothly into your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching and happy creating.